Want this? I gotcha. Get your clip, press on it. Go to Effects, add effect, warp or distortion. We are gonna use the squeeze effect. After that, press standard setting. Now, just do what I do. Add a keyframe in the start, and when you want the bounce to finish. On the first keyframe, swipe left. On the second keyframe, just leave it. Now, the graph. Press where I do, it will make it bounce. Make sure you press, try it first, when this pops up. Again, the red circle is where you need to press. Now just play around with the yellow circle in the center. I recommend doing it how I do. Here you go. Now adjust the keyframes. Hold a keyframe and move to move it. Now you need to watch a ad to export. Just turn off the internet when you're about to export for the second time. Result.